complex numbers and polynomial identities. The polynomial identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b can be used as a pattern for factoring difference of two squares. For example, let us say we are asked to factor 4x squared minus 25. Now in a square minus b square, a is the square root of a square and b the square root of b square. So following the pattern, the square root of 4x squared is 2x. So 2x. The square root of 25, 5. Then plus minus. Let us check our factors. 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 5. First term times first term, 4x squared. Product of the outside terms, negative 10x. Product of the inner terms, positive 10x. Product of the last terms, negative 25. So this is equal to 4x squared, negative 10x, positive 10x, that's 0, negative 25. This is equal to this. So our factors are correct. Suppose we have 4x squared plus 25. So it is plus here instead of minus. How are we going to do this? This, of course, this is not equal to 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 5, because when you multiply this, you get this one. So let us try 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5. Let us check. 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. First term times first term, 4x squared. Outside terms plus 10x. Inside terms plus 10x. Last terms plus 25. So this is now equal to 4x squared. If we add this, we get 20x plus 25. This is different from this. Therefore, these are not the factors. They're wrong. Let us try 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. Let's check. 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. First term times first term, 4x squared. Outside terms, negative 10x. Inside terms, negative 10x. Product of the last terms, positive 25. So this is now equal to 4x squared. Negative 10x is negative 20x plus 25. This is different from this. So these are wrong. Now let us try to use complex numbers. This is 4x squared plus 25. The square root of 4x squared, 2x. So 2x. The square root of 25, 5. plus minus. Let us say 5i negative 5i. So we have 2x plus 5i times 2x minus 5i. Let's check. 2x plus 5i, 2x minus 5i equals first term times first term, 4x squared. Outside terms, negative 10xi. Inside terms, positive 10xi. Last terms, negative 25i squared. So this is now equal to 4x squared, negative 10xi, positive 10xi, 0. So minus 25i squared. So this is now 4x squared minus 25 times. We know that I squared is equals to negative 1. So replace this by negative 1. So we have now 4x squared, negative 25 times negative 1 is positive 25, which is equal to this. Suppose we are asked to do this. 9x squared plus 16. So this is now very easy to do. Just find the square root of this. 9x squared, 3x, then 3x, 16, 4, and 4, plus minus I. So the answers are 3x plus 4i, 3x minus 4i.